Hi, this is Christine Prasad for Best Buy Canada, and today I'm going to show you the VOCOlinc PureFlow Smart Air Purifier. So it's a pretty big unit, so you're probably only going to want this in a larger room or a home office or office space. The idea is that it cleans 99.97% of bacteria, pollen, dust, allergens, etc. in the space. So it's perfect for homes with pets or people with allergies. So before I'm going to show you the panel close up in a second, but I'll just show you something that you should be mindful of. The first thing you do when you get the unit, on either side there are two carbon filters. Sorry, I was pressing the wrong area. So you just pull out the filter. It'll be a plastic, you'll see a plastic film covering it, and you just need to take that off, pop this back on. So there's another filter on the other side as well. Two grooves here on either side, so it makes it easy to move it around. I had it here and then I put it in my basement as well. Okay, so power button's there. So before I show you the panel up close, I will show you that there is a VOCOlinc app which you can use to control and to remotely see the status of the machine as well as the readings. But the smart aspect of it is that you can actually connect it to a smart assistant like Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Siri / HomeKit, as well as make it part of IFTTT scenes. So I'll show you, I've got it connected to a couple here, so I'll show you how that works. I've got a Google speaker off side here, you can't see it, but I will use it to control this unit right now. So, hey Google, is the air purifier on?
The PureFlow Smart Air Purifier is on.
Okay, and I can also, as mentioned, remotely control it. Hey Google, turn the purifier off.
Okay, turning off the PureFlow Smart Air Purifier.
Hey Google, turn the purifier on.
Alright, turning on the PureFlow Smart Air Purifier.
And there it goes. So you can hear, or rather you can't hear, it's operating right now in auto mode, and it's not loud at all. You can't hear it, so it's really, really quiet, which is great for bedrooms or our work areas where you don't want to hear the blasting fan going really loudly. So now I'll show you the panel up close. Okay, so here's a look at the LCD panel up close. So you can see the most prominent number here is something called a PM 2.5 value. So without getting technical, that basically tells you how clean the air is in your room. So as long as this number is between 001 and 001 or 000 and 035, the air quality is excellent. And then it goes higher with different number ranges indicating various levels of air quality. So without having to reference the manual for those numbers, you can also just look at this LED bar here. So the color is bright green, and that means air quality is excellent. As the numbers go higher, if the air quality is worse, it will change color to colors like orange or red, which might indicate an issue and suggest that you perhaps run the fan a little bit higher to clean the air a little bit better. So below that is the humidity in the room. Here it's 59%. That could be, it's pretty high, so it could be because we just turned off the air conditioning now that fall has officially arrived. So the temperature is also pretty high in the home right now. It's 23 degrees Celsius. And this just tells you the filter life. So up top here are the various function buttons. So there's child lock. There's a schedule if you want to set a timer, which you can also set using the app as well. Filter life, this is just telling me that it's connected to Wi-Fi. Night mode, so press this and it will turn off the screen, which is great if you're using it in a bedroom or an office and you don't want the very distracting bright lights. This is just the fan speed. You can adjust temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. and then auto mode, which will just adjust the fan speed based on the needs of the room. So that's that. So that's the VOCOlinc PureFlow Smart Air Purifier. Most important things to note about it: it's pretty big, so you're only going to want it if you've got the need for it and the space for it. It does have some smart features. There were little hiccups that I had during the process of setting those up, but once they were set up, everything was good to go. It does give you some pretty good information, and it just might be the right product for you. So you can read more about my experience in terms of setting it up and using it, both here in my living room as well as in my basement, in the full review in the Best Buy blog. So thanks for watching.